Welcome to the NIOS 319 Business Studies lesson on Planning and Organizing. By the end of the video, you will learn about the features, importance, and limitations of planning and the planning process. You will also learn about the features, importance, and process of organizing. Let's start with planning, the compass that guides us to success. Planning is a roadmap to success and the management's main function. Business strategies are planned like vacations. Setting goals is planning, and it's everywhere. Planning is everywhere, from corporations to daily tasks. Now, planning isn't just about preparing for tomorrow. It's futuristic, just like a time machine. We need to envision our goals and make choices to get there. Planning helps us achieve coordination and control, like a conductor leading an orchestra to create a beautiful symphony. It facilitates decision-making, acting like a wise guide, and helps us use our resources efficiently, just like managing pocket money wisely. Now, let's talk about the planning process. Step 1. Establish objectives. Think of it as planting seeds to grow a beautiful garden of accomplishments. Step 2. We need to make assumptions, like predicting the weather before planning a picnic. External and internal factors influence our decisions. Step 3. Brainstorm time. We develop alternative courses of action. It's like a chef experimenting with different recipes for the perfect dish. Step 4. Evaluating alternatives. It's like trying on different outfits to find the perfect look. After careful evaluation, we choose the best course of action. It's like picking the juiciest, ripest fruit from a tree. Once we have our plan, we arrange for its implementation. It's like setting up a grand stage for an epic play. Finally, we review and follow up just like our favorite sports team analyzing their performance to improve. But let's not forget that planning has its limitations too. It's not set in stone, and things might not always go as expected. It's like planning an outdoor picnic and then suddenly, rain pours down. But we can always adapt and come up with a plan B. Now let's talk about the diverse types of plans. Goals are like treasure maps. Policies guide decision-making, while strategies are secret plans to overcome obstacles. Procedures are like recipes. Methods are tools for dreaming. Rules are like game rules fair. Budgets aid resource management. Finally, programs are our exciting future adventures. Now, let's dive into organizing. Just like a conductor leading a magnificent orchestra, organizing is vital for success. It's not just a one-time show, it's continuous, like an ever-evolving dance. Organizing is everywhere, from our daily routines to running a big business, it's pervasive. Organizing is goal-oriented, like designing a blueprint for a dream house. It brings harmony, just like a synchronized dance routine. Organizing is a group activity, where everyone joins hands to create a marvelous masterpiece. It establishes authority-responsibility relationships, just like a superhero team with their roles and powers. Now, we have the importance of organizing. Specialization is like becoming a master of one skill. It's all about utilizing our resources wisely, like having a superhero toolkit. Clarity of authority and responsibility is like a leader knowing their role in the team. Coordination is like a team of people working together to save the day. In the world of business, planning and organizing are like our superpowers. They guide us on the path to success and help us conquer any challenge that comes our way. Moving on to organizational structure. It is like building a network of job positions and authority relationships. Picture it as a pyramid that shows how tasks, people, and resources connect. It's like the blueprint for a super skyscraper, making sure everyone knows their roles and how to communicate. Now, there are different types of organizational structures. The traditional or bureaucratic structures are like traditional kingdoms with well-defined departments. We have the functional structure, grouping similar jobs into functions. And the divisional structure, perfect for large organizations with multiple products and markets, where each division operates independently. But wait, the modern world brings new wonders. Modern organizational structures are boundaryless and flexible, like a futuristic city with endless possibilities. Team structures are flexible, goal-oriented, and less hierarchical. Matrix structure is a perfect balance of project specialists from different departments. Network structures are like interconnected organizations. Now, let's enter the realm of formal and informal organization. Formal organization is like a well-planned palace with clear rules and guidelines. It's like a step-by-step guidebook on what to do, whom to follow, and the rules to follow. On the other hand, informal organization is like a lively garden party, where relationships bloom naturally based on personal attitudes. In the real world, formal and informal organizations are intertwined. They complement each other, like two sides of the same coin. Formal organization provides structure, while informal organization fulfills social and emotional needs, creating a harmonious atmosphere. Now, let's look at the power of delegation of authority. Imagine a powerful team saving the day. Managers delegate tasks to their subordinates. Like a team leader, they delegate, empower, and hold accountable. Delegation is super essential. It lightens the manager's workload, boosts the team's effectiveness, and helps subordinates grow by taking on new responsibilities. Trust and faith in subordinates empower them. Now, let's embrace the fascinating concept of decentralization. It's like sharing power and decision-making across all levels of management, like a group of people teaming up to defend the city. Traffic police controlling traffic, that's decentralization in action. Decentralization brings a world of benefits. It eases the workload of top-level management, empowers employees, boosts initiative, promotes quick decision-making, and allows top management to focus on strategic planning. That brings this lesson to an end. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.